Traditional PUJ, iakyat po natin yan from 12 to 14 pesos. But if you remember, binigyan po natin ng 1 peso provisional noong 2023. So ang current rate nilang yun, 13. But we will now make it permanent at 14 pesos for the first 4 kilometers. That reflects an 8% jump in the base fare. Sa succeeding po, ang succeeding po ay 180, ang existing ng traditional PJ. Sinarado na po natin ng 2 pesos or a 20 centavo adjustment per kilometer after the first 4 kilometers. 20 centavos increase. So modern PUJ, it is 20% more than your traditional PUJ. Sa metro buses, ito yung ordinary bus, metro. It starts off 13 pesos for the first 5 kilometers. Inakyat po natin yan to 15 pesos or a 2 peso jump for the first 5 kilometers. That's a 15% increase. Doon naman sa succeeding, from 2 pesos and 25 centavos, we granted a 24 centavo increase. It went up 2 pesos and 49 centavos. That's a 10% jump. For provincial buses, which increased over the weekend, it's on the average a 35 centavo increase. That's roughly 14 to 16% increase. So kung ang Batangas route, which is 105 kilometers, ang existing fare niyan without the increase pa is around 200 pesos. Aakyat po yan ng mga 230 pesos because of the increase or a 15% jump. Ordinary bus po yan. Ang aircon bus, from 220, aakyat po yan ng mga 257 pesos or a 16% jump. Ang Manila Baguio, which with existing fare niya is around 469, with the increase, aakyat po yan ng mga 542, which is a 15% jump. Okay. Ang isa po hong nag-file ho sa amin ay yung airport taxi, no? Ito po ay binigyan po natin from yung kanilang flag down rate right now is 75 pesos. Inakyat po natin ng 40 pesos yan or from 75 to 115. Ito po yung airport taxi, hindi ito yung regular taxi natin, airport taxi yan. The last one that we are supposed to decide is the TNVS. Ito yung mga Grab natin, mga InDrive, no? Okay. Doon sa base fare nila ngayon, which is 45 pesos, inakyat po natin ng 20 pesos or 65 pesos pag sedan. So pag AUV kasi, 55 pesos po yan, inakyat natin to 75. Ang hatchback, 35 pesos, 20 peso increase na naman. So it's a 20 peso increase across the board as far as the TNVS is concerned, yung base fare nila. We also introduced the pick-up fare. If you remember, during the Christmas season, pinag-aralan namin yan. No? During the Christmas season, we allowed a 24 peso pick-up fare rate for the first kilometer. Ito, binigyan natin, pero binabaan natin to 15 peso pick-up rate. So all in all, other than that, there's been no increase. The per kilometer rate ng TNVS remains the same. Yung per minute rate nila stays the same. Yung pinakuli pa natin, yung P2P, point to point to, point to point. No? So we allowed a 15% fare increase. No? So yung Rotang Ortigas Makati, which normally charges 60 pesos, it will now be 69 pesos. Yung Naiya Clark, which is 400 pesos, it will now be 460 pesos, which is again a 15% increase. As you see, we have tried to be below the minimum wage increase of 19% on the average, just to make sure that kahit paano within the affordable reach ng ating minimum wage earners natin.